morning, everyone. I am I am Nelvin Zonil Aninag, and I will represent you our small town, which is Bayabas, Surigao del Sur. So many people asking why it's called Bayabas. Then actually I interview some ancestors and some old people who live here in the past. Then it was said the fishermen that in La Paz and Tago they used to take a large guava tree as they used as to take as shelter. Then it was also issued by the late President Carlos P. Garcia, and I am here standing on our small barangay, which is it involved in the Bayabas, which is Barangay Mogobok. Then here in Barangay Mogobok, it is abundant in natural resources, especially seafoods. Then come here. Then abundant also in mangroves. On here. So the Bayabas, Surigao del Sur, it consists of 7 barangays, which is Barangay Mugabaw here in my barangay, then Barangay Baliti, Kabugo, Amag, Panasawon, Cagboto, and La Paz. That was the 7 barangays consist in Bayabas, here in Bayabas Municipality. Then the Bayabas was also well known, and it was categorized as the 5th class of